This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the Pixel 7a and ejecting the SIM tray. Next, gently heat the bottom bezel to about 80-90 degrees Celsius for 60 to 90 seconds to soften the adhesive. This prevents cracking. Once heated, place a suction cup near the lower glass and pull slightly while sliding a pick into the gap. You should keep steady, small movements and reheat if resistance is high. Make sure to avoid prying near the camera and the fingerprint area to prevent damage. Once the screen is open, remove the visible T3 screws and lift the midframe. You'll see flex cables and shielding. First, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts, then disconnect the display and antenna flex connectors. This order reduces risk. Carefully peel adhesive and unclip the earpiece speaker and any small brackets, keeping screws organized. When removing the broken screen, clean remaining adhesive from the frame. You'll transfer any brackets to the new panel and test connect the display before fully seating it. To finish, reconnect all flex cables and then the battery as the last connection. Power the phone on to confirm touch responsiveness, screen brightness, sensors, and cameras. Once confirmed, apply fresh adhesive strips around the frame and carefully align the replacement screen, pressing firmly around the edges for 2 to 3 minutes to bond. If something goes wrong, like a boot loop or no touch, power down, reseat connectors, inspect for debris or bent pins, and test again before sealing completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.